Hello students, how are you? Students, have you ever asked or told what the time is? Today you are going to learn asking and telling time. What time is it? If your answer is 4:15, you are right. Number 2, what time is it? If you said it is 6 o'clock, you are right, because the hour arm points to 6 and the minute arm points to 12. It is 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock means exactly 6. Okay, question number 3. What time is it? It is 25 to 2. It is 25 to 2. Number 4. What time is it? It is 25 past 12. Tell the time from the following pictures of digital watch. What time is it? If your answer is 8:30, you are right. Half, 30 minutes means half. Number 2. What time is it? If you said it is 20 to 8, you are right. 20 to 8. Number 3. What time is it? If your answer is 12:15, you are right. 12:15. Okay, students, I hope you answered all the questions. Now we will do another exercise. Give short answer to the following questions. Number 1. How many minutes are there in an hour? How many minutes are there in an hour? If you said 60, very good. Number 2. How many seconds are there in a minute? How many seconds are there in a minute? The answer is 60. Number 3. What is the time from midnight until 11:59? What is the time from midnight until 59 past 11. If your answer is AM, you are right. Number 4. What is the time from 12 noon until 59 past 11? What is the time from 12 noon until 59 past 11? If you said PM, excellent.